Hello and welcome to another Unity tutorial. Today we'll have a look at how to make the perfect bouncing ball. And by perfect we mean that the ball will reach the exact same height every time it leaves the ground. Let's dive into it. We begin with a 2D scene with a ball sprite and a ground sprite. That's all we need. And why not start with the ball? First of all, we need a rigid body on this, so add component and rigid body 2D. Make sure the gravity scale is set to 1. Looks nice, but we need some kind of collision with the ground. We do that by adding a collider. Circle collider. Just check it. It looks fine. And now we need a collider for the ground as well. Select the ground and add component and box collider 2D. And that looks fine as well. So let's have a test. Perfect, but there's no bounce yet. We will do that by adding a material. So right click, create and physics material 2D. We should rename that to something like ball physics material. Now select the ball and drag the material into the rigid body. Let's see, rigid body material. Go here. Yes, and let's test again. Still no bounce, and that's because we need to set the bounce in the material. So select the ball physics material and set bounce to 1. And here we go. We have a nice bouncing ball. But wait, it seems like the ball is jumping higher and higher. Let's set a little ruler and zoom in a little, and let's run the test again. Now it's quite clear that we have a problem. The ball is jumping higher and higher. Now there's two common ways of fixing this. The first one is to adjust the physics material. So select the material and adjust the value. On my computer it is something like 0.9787, but it's actually different on every computer. You can help the community by writing your perfect number in the comments below. The other method is done by changing the collision type. But before we do that, let's change the bounciness back to 1. Now select the ball and change the collision detection to continuous. Let's run the test again. And now we see it's bounced to the exact same height every time. That was it for today. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. We upload new tutorials every single day. So see you tomorrow for another Unity tutorial. Have fun!